hope you get it. Oh, you're hopping in the water even. Let's get him on snag.
And just in case I don't get it, here's one for you. Yep. Where are you at? Oh, out there. Yeah, that's a lure too. What's that? Oh, just yours.
I'm gonna go up this way, okay? Getting them.
Alright. Oh no. There we go. Oh, he's ready. Alright. Yeah. Look at that. Woohoo! Yeah.
Am I far enough away from you? Okay. Thank you.
Look. Hey, it's over. That's okay.
I found a DVD, Married with Children. A DVD. On another button. Yeah, baby. Oh, there's a couple crayfish in here. Get out of there.
Yeah. line tied up over here. And now it's raining outside. I hope I don't get wet. Line cutters to the rescue. There we go. That's it. Something we gotta change there. There you go. Am I too close to you? No? Okay. No! I was face to face with one for like 10 seconds, it just stayed there. It's pretty cool. A walleye. Well, check out what I just found today. That is pretty cool. It's a lot of lures. Wow. Got some more in there too. Got some trash out of there. Got a DVD, Married with Children, a couple golf balls, plastic, some glass, a container, a lure container, and that's pretty much it. Got an awesome dive. It's exciting. A little bit of current out here, but it's dying down. I kept up with it. Got a lot of lures. It's a really good day. Let me know if any of these were yours. Big variety in there. Got her snake. Come on, Rust, you got it. Don't make me go back in there.
I'll go up to the bridge.
Oh. When I first started, I got a kid who's snagged. I went in and got him on snagged. Then I started going up from there. Got her. Good job.
You're such a master at that.
One less lure to recover. You got her back.
Yay!
Here's a little breakdown of all the lures I just found yesterday. In 1 hour. Had 57 ripping wraps, all in there, size 6, size 7, one size 5. And a couple custom ripping wraps here. Got a bunch of other lipless crankbaits here. Coming all the way up over here. Another clacking wrap, my favorite. Blade baits and spoons. Some of these jigging wraps and other jigging lures here. Had a bunch of shads here, coming all the way up here. Bunch of other lures, flicker minnows up there. Smith wicks, shadow wraps up there. Got a bunch of stick baits all in here. A lot of stick baits. Got a Livingston lure right up there. Got a fast track right here. One of my favorites is right here. It's a Rapala Sinking C13 Magnum from Finland. Pretty cool looking one. Had 116 swivels here. This bobber, a Lindy no snag. All of these jigs coming up there. All together is 238 lures, not counting the 3 that I gave away during the giveaway last night. I estimated all these lures that I found yesterday to be $1,538.65. That's a good day. All of these were from 2 dives and 2 rivers, total of 3 hours. This only took 1 hour. And these here are from the dive that I did today. We got a lot of scrubbing to do next. Got to change hooks out. Got to organize them, get them on my website, get them ready to sell.